Any question? So far, so good?
No, no have any question. Well, of the subject, there are several questions, but for the another thing, no.
Okay, let's check the homework. Yeah, so here. Let me put the 여자, by the way. 여자. And this is a 남자. And this is a 여자. Okay. Let's check together. So here. 대학 졸업반 취업에 blah 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 너무 커졌어요. 뭘 해야 할지도 모르겠어요. Very good. 다른 친구들처럼 어학 연수 할까 해요. Actually, you know what? It's very good. It's very good, Magdalena 씨. It's very good. Yeah. You didn't make a mistake for writing just only 3 points here. 모르겠, the 받침, gets.
Yes, I wrote get, but I can hear how I was thinking in the future or something like that. 모르겠다. It's 모르겠어요, because I can hear ko instead of my how to say the exact meaning for me is 모르겠어요, but I hear 모르겠고요.
Yes.
I confuse that.
Because of audio, they said 모르겠고요. 모르겠고요. That is why. 모르겠고요. Similar, right? 모르겠고요. 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 Let me show you. This is actually what they said in audio. Can you see here?
모르겠고요. What does it mean? I never seen kuyo. 모르겠다, I understand. I know what is the meaning of 모르겠다. But 모르겠고요, why kuyo?
Normally when the sentence finish with a kuyo, give me a second, let me make it like this. Okay. Yeah, normally when finish with a kuyo, it's like a meaning future. It's as you can see, future simple, but including meaning for also. So future will blah blah, also blah blah. So normally when sentence finish with a kuyo, it continue with the other sentence like this. Because so if I change like a 모르겠어요 like this, and the next sentence will be the 그리고 다른 blah 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 like this, yeah. But instead of using connector 그리고 just simply 모르겠고요, yeah. And this one is technically have a comma, not the period, comma. Yeah, 모르겠고요. But it's a sentence finishing. It's a speaking terminology. But the 구요 have a
then kuyo is also?
Yes, also, meaning for also. But for the terminology. Yeah.
But I confuse that because I understood, but I don't know about the kuyo.
Well, what you wrote is a perfect actually. 대학 졸업반 취업에 대학 졸업반 we're missing here. 대학 졸업반 되면서.
되면서 I couldn't understand 되면서.
되면서 취업에 대한 부담이 너무 커졌어요. Yeah, so let me make a mark. 잠시만요. Yeah. 취업에 대한 부담이. But with a watching written sentence, you understand, right? Or any questions so far till here, vocabulary?
No, I don't remember exactly meaning because it's a lot.
대학 졸업반, we know this meaning, right?
Graduation grade, the graduation grades.
Perfect.
Of the university.
Very good. Yeah. 되면서. 면서 is a grammar for while. 면서, 하면서, 먹으면서, 가면서, while. So while 되다, to become. So while become a graduation grade in university. 취업, meaning?
취업, to have a job.
Very good. To have a job. 대한, about. 부담. I'm sure we wrote this one as well. Can you find the
Pressure.
vocabulary? Pressure. Very good. Yeah.
Pressure.
So about having a job, pressure, many or much, 커졌어요. Become a big.
Big.
And continue. Let me compare with your writing. 뭘 해야 할지도 모르겠어요. Yeah, 뭘 해야 할지도 모르겠고요. Yeah, this part, only this part. Very good. Yeah. 모르겠고요. And after 다른 친구들처럼. Yeah, good job. Look at this. 다른 친구들처럼. Exactly equal. You did it. Perfect. 휴학하고. Missing here. 휴학, 어학. Yeah. 휴학하고 어학연수나. 갈까 해요. 갈까 해요.
Calcajea, sí. I forgot the yes, I saw the mistake, but I forgot to repair that.
Okay. Before continue, let me ask you, did you fix the application problem for audio or no?
No, I use the audio from your your recording the WhatsApp.
Oh, okay.
Very easy to use because I can put in stop and then follow or something like that. But I decide to buy one tablet.
One, sorry, tablet?
Today I decide to buy a tablet because my coworkers said convinced to me.
También, like yo también, yeah, like. Which tablet you prefer?
They recommend the Samsung 8. Samsung A8.
Let me tell you why A series of Samsung is not good. First, the display is a very economic one, which is it's gonna hurt your eyes. Even if you put the blue screen protection cover, still not that good. So the best option is the S series. There's a
Yes,
S.
it is S series S8.
S8, not the A8, S8.
No, S8.
Okay. That's a good. However, Magdalena, you don't play game, right?
No, don't worry about that.
S7, S8 is for gaming. So if you don't play game, it's a wasting money. I recommend you get a S6 or S6 Lite. More cheaper, completely fine, work well. But
the camera is not so good.
Sorry?
The camera is not so good.
I have to say, S6,
I saw
S7.
I saw both models. S6 from one of my partners, and says 8 for another teacher. No, I compare both, and also both recommend me S8.
It's good. It's good.
But it's not so expensive. It's 8,000 pesos.
S8, 8,000 pesos?
8,500 pesos in Amazon. Because
Really?
the new model is S9 of 20,000 pesos approximately.
I don't think so because this is a S6 because S6 this is the like 8,000 peso. So S7, S8 is more expensive.
No, I saw just in this morning with them. And check. Aquí está. Mm. Yes, the cost by Amazon. By Amazon is in the you can see.
Okay. Oh, 9,000. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, so if you try to buy, maybe there's options and make increase the price. If that happen, let me know. I'm wonder. Yeah, it's interesting. 9,000 pesos. That's muy barato. Really barato. Okay. If it's a
Yes,
9,000 pesos, I
almost.
think I prefer. That's a good
Yeah, it's
one.
almost 9,000, but
Mhm.
this is okay. I think it's okay, and I will buy that. But I don't know if by Amazon or could be another option is go to Liverpool or something like that. But I don't
Um,
know if there are one offer, one sale. I don't know.
Mm, maybe the checking the Antea Samsung store is a good option. Just checking. But if you're
Ah,
buying there, the price will be really high compared with Amazon actually. But yeah, so S8 is a really good option. But more economically, S6 is fine as well, like a using pen. But if you prefer good camera, then S8 is good. Yeah. Yes. And the speaker is amazing. You're gonna love the speaker. Yeah. You don't even need to prepare speaker. It itself have the Dolby HD speaker inside. Yeah, so really good. So yeah, I recommend you. Yeah, try to get one. It's good. Okay, perfect. All right, yeah. So then till you get that, we're just gonna practice with a WhatsApp. I keep sending you audio. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
mhm.
All right, so let's see.
But also I had trouble with the
Uh-huh.
speaking the Namja. Namja was also difficult in large part.
Yeah, as you can see, long is all of it.
Yes,
Okay,
it's long, but there are one part that I couldn't understand nothing again. You can see that.
even you check the vocabulary, still couldn't difficult to understand.
Yeah.
Okay. But let's see. Okay. 요즘 대학생들은 okay, beginning is good job. 친구들이
Model.
친구들은 모두 하니까 very good. Here's a no blank. Here's a no necessity to blank. There's a no extra words here. just 모두 하니까. 모두 하니까.
Okay.
Mhm. And blah 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 같아요. Okay, this is all missing part here. Yeah. Okay. Can you
Mhm.
read this part, please?
Ohaki onsuha gago bung sanghal donghako inton suite chiwol hanin got kataya.
I'm sure you can translate everything. We learn all
Yes,
vocabulary.
if I see like here in text,
Mhm.
yes, but when I tried to hear, I couldn't. Ohakyo, the faster is very. It's, the velocity was very fast.
It is, and actually, because they only play one time.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Yes, of course. Entonces, Ohakyo Suhago, Bongsanghal Donghako Inton Tweep E Chingwal Hanun Kotkatayo.
Mhm. Um,
Ay, very difficult.
it is difficult. Did you see the video I sent you yesterday? I sent you yesterday, right? About the internship?
Yes, but I could understand very well because I don't know why in ton swap, in ton
Internship, ship.
ship,
Uh,
internship,
ne.
internship. Yes, I saw in the video, in the video.
So you
But
understand everything? No?
mm-mm,
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
because
Mhm.
internship,
Ne? Mhm.
I saw in the text, but I couldn't understand what is the meaning of internship.
So that audio is like not the full video as you can see. I cut it. So did you see at the beginning the Will Smith having an interview with the
I said
30?
internship. Yes.
So yeah, once he got entered the internship, he worked, but he didn't get paid. But at the end of the video I sent you, the jefe of the company said, I want you to wear this nice suit tomorrow as well, because you're hired as a formal worker. Yeah, from the internship. Yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah, the internship is as I mentioned, as we saw the meaning last class, like just for experience, they hire the people for giving them experience for work. Yeah, not really paying, and if they good, they hired it actually after internship. Yeah. So that was the concept. But anyway, let's continue. Yeah. 그런데
이렇게.
yeah.
이렇게, bueno, it's in the top. 그런데
어,
이렇게
어,
이렇소해.
한 줄 더 넣기 위한 활동. Okay, let's see what is the answer here. Yeah. 나띠
그런데
이렇게.
이렇게 is in the top, in the top.
You put the 이렇게?
이렇게, ajá.
This
Ay,
is
no, 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 no. 이렇게 is in top.
this
This
is
is a,
not.
this a part. 이렇게.
But you still put the wrong 받침엔 is 나띠게.
Well, well, I read wrong. 이렇게.
Okay, but you did a good job for 이력서. Very good. 이력서에 한 줄 더 넣기 위한. Okay, very good. 활동. 들은. This is what I'm missing. 활동들은. 활동.
들은
정작 취업에 큰 도움이 되지 않나요? 않나요? pronunciation. 않아요. Yeah, this part. Can you read this part, please, from here? 정작.
취업에 큰 도움이 좋지 않아요.
What is the meaning?
취업에 I forgot, 취업 is to have a job. To
Uh-huh.
have a job.
Mhm.
A big to. Mm. 큰 도움, big help. Big help is
되지 않아요?
되지 않아요. Is there aren't help. There aren't help.
For what?
There aren't a big help. There aren't a big help.
For what?
To get a job.
To get a job. Yes, very good, very
Or
good.
to have a job. To have a job.
To have a job. But for what? About the 이력서에 한 줄 더 넣기 위한 활동.
Activity for adding one more line.
In the where?
The resume.
Resume. Very good, very good. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Continue. And the blah 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 Spain. Spain.
Spain.
Not the Spain. Spec.
Specman. See, I forgot it. That.
스펙만 쌓은
Mhm.
사람들. And 주의해요. Which part you wrote here? 주의해요, 주의해요. 선호하지 않거든요.
Dice 않거든요. 않거든요. 선호하지 않거든요. But I could understand that.
I think 주의해요 is for you understood this part. 중요해요, 주의해요. I
I think
think.
it's the last one.
Okay. In the case, yeah, all these parts. Okay, let's read it first. Yeah, from here.
옆에서는 목적 없이 spekhaman sangun, saramdulun, sonhohachi, and kodunyo.
Okay, till there.
And
Kodunyo. Mhm.
Kodunyo.
Mhm.
Yeah. I heard that, but I couldn't write exactly name. And continue. Okay.
Kodunyo.
자신이 무엇을 하고 싶은지 잘 생각해 본 후에 그 일을 하는데, 그런데
Mhm.
경험을 쌓을 수 있는 활동을 하는 게 훨씬 중요해요.
Very good. Very good. Pronunciation is perfect. Okay. But what about the meaning?
잘 묻겠어요.
We know what is a kiop already. In the vocabulary note, we already got the spec as well. We already got the sata, spek을 sata, honto, and 선호 하다. We also got that as well. So I think you can easily translate. Check the vocabulary list from last class. You're turned that on the other part, no? Yeah. In your monitor, I think.
Yes, I have that.
Yes. Check that.
In this
and
case,
tell
it's
me.
kiop. Okay. 잠깐만. 기업. 교배? I can't see that 교배.
We didn't write down kiop. Let me check. Sorry.
No. I think no.
Maybe we didn't write down. Let me see. Kiop. Kiop means empresa, by the way. What another vocabulary we know about kiop? The empresa. What word do you know? What is empresa in Korean? The word you know. Empresa.
No. Il is what?
Kiop we don't have here. Yes, we don't have. Yeah, okay, kiop. Yeah, let me write down here. Empresa, 회사. 막달레나 씨, 회사.
회사.
It's exactly the same. 회사, 기업.
회사, 기업. Okay.
So, okay, continue.
In the company, 목적 없이. In the company, 목적 없이. 목적 없이, without goal.
Yes.
Without goal. Only spec. Only spec. To have experience. 사람들 the people. 정호하시 not prefer. Not prefer. Not prefer. 정호하지 않다. 정호하시 and kodunyo. But in this case is not prefer. But I don't the terminology dunyo because it's a no preferirá o algo así.
않거든요 is like it's not that important terminology. It's a more like we put that as a convincing terminology. Instead of say 선호하지 않아요, which is that is more certain, which is exactly no prefer. Yeah. When you're 100% sure about that information, we just simply finish with 않아요. However, this is a very friendly and nice way to say is not prefer. Yeah, but it's like I'm giving you this information. Yeah. So I am right. That's the context, including for 안거든요, like that. Yeah. Just consider it like a more soft way to say confirming the information. Yeah, more soft way to say. There's not other function, just that. It's a soft way to say. Yeah. Instead of say 안아요, 않거든요, more soft for confirming
It's
info.
only okay. It's a formal way to say formal way and to confirm the sentence.
Instead of formal, friendly.
Friendly.
Amable way to say. Amable way to say. Okay, so tell me then the whole meaning. I mean,
Again, sorry. There are another, can I use that terminology with another simple sentence?
yes, like can you give me one information that I shouldn't do, or it is something, anything. Give me some information, anything.
To do something?
To do something or to shouldn't do something, or just it is
I
what it is.
shouldn't to eat early, for example.
So just tell me the sentence you know with that in Korean.
Oh.
Tell me that in Korean. So
In
sentence.
Korean. In Korean. I shouldn't know. Okay. 오늘 밥을 먹 먹지 않아요?
First, we shouldn't say owner because I just mentioned this is the giving information for like a convincing someone. So what you're saying is the fact what happened. But we're not talking about the experience. We're talking about the only for something fact, which is it is not, it is yes, or it is how, it is what, like that. So what you say is like today I didn't eat dinner. Instead of that, as you said, I don't eat food after 9 p.m., for example. Yeah, that's the fact, right? But it's not really about the experience. It's just facts. Yeah. For the fact, you can use it this grammar for the fact only. Yeah. So give me another example, but fact, not the experience, just fact.
숙제를 하지 않아요?
하지 않아요. Yeah, 숙제를 하지 않아요. Very good, very good. That's so perfect. We can.
숙제를 하지 않거든요.
Exactly. We can change that. 하지 않거든요. So if you say 숙제를 하지 않아요, I don't do homework. That's all. But when you say 숙제를 하지 않거든요, it sounds like this. You know, I don't do homework. More amable. That's only function. It's not that important to grammar. It's just like a being amable. There's not any special.
It's important because I think it's important because that kind of the ending is usually to use that, no?
We use a lot. Actually, we use a lot, but technically, it's not really affecting the topic exam. Yeah, nothing changed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so tell me what or which one is not prefer here, not prefer what? Which one is not prefer what?
I couldn't understand what is your question.
Just translate naturally. You already gave me all the meaning, but now just put it in a correct order.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Mm. We told you Kyob. Okay. In their company.
Mm-hmm.
In their company. Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
In the company. Ah. Mm. Mm. I couldn't find mokchok. I saw in the notes, but I don't know where is that.
Easier. Look at this.
Without goal, yes, without goal. But I don't know where is that. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So this in the company, they are in gold. They're
Mm-hmm.
in gold, but this no. Um, have more career for spec, and they are in gold.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm. Do you remember the be aware of the particles?
The first particles known as the direct object.
Yes. So what is the subject in this sentence? Subject.
The subject.
Ah,
Oh,
subject.
the
What is
subject is from the moksha object until sang
This is the first particle, right?
Okay, in the company, yes.
That's the subject. And this is object
But
of particle.
no, but this is a subject, but there are two another subject, direct subject. There's
Mm,
moksha Beckman song.
all this
That
thing, all
is
this
another
thing
one.
is an object, yes. Direct object actually, because
Direct
all this
object.
thing is for this.
But Saramdul ul is the indirect.
This is just a marking all this object, which is a direct object. Yeah, don't get confused. This looks like an indirect object, but no, this is just the extra explanation for 사람들. This is
Okay,
a
so then the
object.
people who have more career for respect in the company. Pero me falta Mokshoggi. Me falta The goal, ¿no? Algo así dijiste. I
It's
can
here.
find that, sorry.
It's here.
Mokpio. ¿Dónde está? Mokpio. Oh. Aquí está. Okay.
Okay. Let me help you a little bit about the translating one more time. Okay, check this. Okay. When you're translating something, first, I want you to identify what is the subject, what is the object, what is the verb. If you just find those three things, you can translate whatever easily. So, how we identify? Follow the particle. So I'm gonna make a mark for the particle, every particle. Yeah. I'm talking, the particle I'm saying is talking about the subject particle 이가, topic particle 은는, and object particle 을을. Only those things, eh? Yeah, only those things, yeah. So continue. Here, this looks like a particle, is it? But no, it's just a grammar for 목적 없다, verb plus noun. So it's not the particle then. And continue. 사은. This looks particle. However, it's also not the particle because 스펙만 쌓다 is a verb, isn't it? 쌓다. Verb plus 사람, sostantivo. So it is a grammar for verb plus noun. It's not the particle. What about this? 사람들을 there we go.
It's
Particle.
a particle.
선호하지 않거든요. So that's it. Only two particle we have here, right? So far so good. Finding particle. So far so good.
Yes, but I confused because 목적 chi is a particle also, no? And sat is a particle also, no?
Again, 목적 없이 스펙. We need to see all these parts. So 목적 없다. That's a verb. 스펙 is a noun. So this is the grammar, not the particle. It is a grammar for verbo plus sostantivo. It's not the particle. And here, igual 스펙만 쌓다, verbo plus 사람들, sostantivo. So it's the verbo plus sostantivo grammar. It's not the particle, it's a grammar. So if you can identify those things, now it is more clear what is the subject. At the beginning. Of course, all the time at the beginning. And what is the verb? Whatever comes at the end. This is the actual verb, but we can put this together. Whatever after the object, the particle, all those things. Then what is the object? All those things, But what will be the actual main object except the details? It will be this thing. Because as you can see, grammar here for the spec, and this one is also including the grammar for here. So this is an actual particle. So how we can clarify for that? If I remove this, try to read this. Is this make sense?
Dice ¿qué son en las empresas? No prefer the people.
Not prefer the people. Makes sense, right? Makes sense. But we are missing the information. Who, what types of people? And that is this one.
No prefer the people with a goal, no?
Goal.
Respect.
Without goal, build.
Without respect, without goal, without respect.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. Okay.
In the company, the company not prefer. The company don't prefer people. Without goal and without respect.
It is better to say like this. I mean, at the beginning you did a very good. Like in the company, they don't prefer people. Yes, till there was fine. But these details, people who without goal only build experience.
Only to have experience?
Yes, spec. What was the meaning spec here?
Yes, I can see spec, but spec is
what meaning you got about spec? So only
only specman. Specman is only expect con expectativas in Spanish.
Only people who spec without goal, simply. Only people who build a spec without goal. That's the meaning. Only people who fill the spec without goal. Do you need more context about this? I can give you example if you want.
Yes, but I will try translate again. So then, in the companies, the companies not prefer people without goal, without goal.
You missing company not prefer what?
People.
Uh-huh.
No prefer people.
Uh-huh.
People with a goal.
Uh-huh.
But I can understand Spayman saw the spec. Okay, spec. I had okay, have more career for spec to stack spec. To stack spec without people to without no people with high to stack or high higher high spec. Okay, yeah, I understand. The people high with high spec without goal. I agree with them. Yeah, I understood. Yeah, that's because the people. Again, I will try this in English. In English without the translator. They prefer they don't prefer people with high spec without goal.
Yes, exactly.
High spec without goal. I agree with them. I shiro kayo. 저는 shiro. 저는 사람들 목적 없이 스펙만 쌓은 사람들을 싫어해요.
Then now you understand why they mention about this part then?
이렇게 이렉서 한 줄도 넘기. Altas expectativas y pocos metas. Altas expectativas o pocas metas. Entonces, 이렇게 ¿qué? 한줄도 estaba. Activity for have experience. So then, activity for having experience is entonces las actividades para tener experiencia, actividades que tienen experiencia. Idiok, I couldn't understand what is the meaning of idiok so
이력서 resume you said. Yeah.
How?
Resume. Curriculum.
Resume?
Yeah, for your career.
Resume. Okay, resume, curriculum. Okay, okay. Okay, click. Be patient, be patient, please. Mm. So then,
Mm-hmm.
this, like this, so like this, mm, activities for have experience
Mm-hmm.
in el curriculum, in the curriculum.
About 100 더 넣다.
Mm.
Here.
Mm. It's a lot of vocabulary that I don't know.
But we did the last class, all of it.
Yes, I saw, but okay, I understood, but
Uh,
I can't remember all because it's a lot.
mm-hmm. Once you get a tablet, it will be more easier. Mm-hmm.
I
Once
can
you get
see
a
in the screen. I can see in the screen.
yes. When you get tablet, you're
But
gonna
it's a
use your
lot.
pen. Yeah, it is, yeah. So many
It's a
vocab.
lot. It's a lot of vocabulary. So then, por ejemplo, gronde. So
Mm-hmm.
then, uh, for this, iroke for this,
Mm-hmm.
irioxoe, irioxoe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The activity is for adding one more line to
Mm-hmm.
resume.
Yes. So this is for these people. We just read this one, yeah. So this is the directly connected with those 사람들, people. Try to find the connection. Why?
A ver, abajo son las personas que tienen altas expectativas y además no tienen esta experiencia. Y luego arriba es actividades para one more line on the curriculum.
Mm.
The people who needs to more activities inside of the curriculum.
Need activities? Not really, because
No need activities. Por eso, esto, es que dice, the translation is activity for adding one more line to resume. Actividades para adicionar una línea más en el currículum. O sea, son actividades que se añaden al currículum. Son actividades que se añaden al currículum, pero que no tienen una meta ni una expectativa. ¿Me entiendes en español?
Find the connection? Did you find a connection? No?
Sí, o sea, I understood, or I have to translate in English. I guess that the first part, irioxo halchuldo nonki we han quite dong, is the activities in the curriculum. There are activities, one more line, one more line. Activities for adding one more line. Es que no estoy entendiendo en inglés. No entiendo en inglés, no entiendo en español. Trato de traducirlo al español, pero
I will give you a simple example. Yeah, let's understand with an example. Yeah. So imagine you want to be a chef for cocinar bien. and you want to have a good job for working in the restaurant. But situation is Korea, for example. So the thing is, you already know how to cook. You're a good chef already. But if you don't have a good resume, how do you call resume in your way? The
Curriculum.
curriculum. Let's put that as curriculum. If you don't have anything on your curriculum, they will not even check your curriculum. They're not gonna hire you. That's the situation in Korea. So no matter how you're good at cook, if you don't have experience or in the resume on the curriculum something you don't put, then they will not even check your curriculum to hire you. For that, we are trying to do anything we can for putting in the curriculum. So for example, you are a Mexican chef. You are good at Mexican food. But for the curriculum, you got a license for Korean food. You got a license for Japanese food. You got a license for the pescado globo, how to cook. You got a license for the Chinese food, those things. But you're a Mexican chef. Those things are not really helpful. But you're learning, you're getting those license for putting one more extra line for your curriculum, for showing off. And what are those things? Doesn't have a specific goal. Like your goal is meant to be a great Mexican chef, but getting experience for cooking Chinese food, Korean food, Japanese food, for what? For putting the line in the curriculum. For what? For getting attention for the hiring. So that's what we call the people who just stacked the spec for getting a good job without goal. If you want to truly be a Mexican chef, then you should get a Mexican food license and or go to the Mexico or living with the Mexican people and learn how to cook those things. Yeah, yeah, that's the thing. Do you understand the context though?
The mokchokopchi, etc. I understood in the context. I very good to understand the context, but the another context is the another part. Idiok soe. I couldn't understand very well because there are the translation more or less say activity for addict one more line. If you put more, for example, I try to understand. I will apply in a one job, and in this job I send my curriculum. I make my curriculum. I am mechanical engineer. I have experience in mechanical materials and so on. And suddenly I put a very good runner, no? My curriculum. I very good runner, and I cooking very well. But it's not. It's only we said garbage. Only put garbage in the curriculum.
That's the example. Very good example. But in Korea, that's the example.
It's a garbage only, but if I put that, it's not corresponding to my applying job. Only because I very good swimming, a very good swimmer, and very good cooking or something like that. But I am applying to one job for mechanical engineer, not to cooking or something like that, no? So then I try to understand that idiok soe hal hanchul do no ki with hanchul dong is like a garbage. No? To put one line more without sense, no?
Yes.
That's right?
Yes.
Okay, and then right now I understood.
That's exactly because of what they said after that. 취업에 큰 도움이 되잖아요. For getting a job. big help, not become. The reality why Korean keep doing that. Also, the woman said at the end, actually, let me quickly translate for you. Yeah, this one. All friends, everyone doing it, but even they doing it, if I don't do even those things, I'm gonna be behind. Yeah, 뒤처진, sorry, 뒤처지는 것 같은데, then what should I do? Yeah. So why they adding those garbages in the 이력서? The reason why every Korean graduate the university, everyone have a skills. So it's like a muscle manuals about the skills. So I need to be excellent. I need to show off. I need to have a different things with other people. So they keep adding garbages.
It's common in the young people right now.
That's the context right now in the whole text about that. You understand better than last class, right?
Yeah, I understood all, but this is because it's the context, it's difficult to understand.
Particularly this question is not easy because of Korean situation, young generation, you said. Yeah. Let's move on. We spent too much time for 1 hour, 30 minutes for this time. Jesus, yeah. Yeah.
Well, the advantage is because right now I understood. Already understood that.
Yeah. So when
No,
you have
I'll be honest with you. Yesterday, I couldn't understand nothing. So
very good.
yesterday, I saw the words, but I couldn't understand nothing about that.
So
My,
I'm going to
my head was very tired.
I'm going to expect if you see this context or in the exam, I will really expect you gonna get a score. Yeah, for this context.
But this is very difficult.
Yeah, of course, we still need to study about the lots of vocabulary. Oh, there's a lot of vocabulary, as you can see. Yeah, we need to study about it. Yeah. Woo, yeah, but let's wrap up this part. So, yeah. Let's go to the question then. Can you turn on the book page 220? So not the 2nd of April, what date was? So before we start listening this part, we translate the question first. That was March 28th. So let me turn on that. So let's quickly check about the answers, meaning here we go. Yeah. Yeah. So the vocabularies for the answers is here. So this will be help you. So yeah, I want you to translate again for number 1 to 4, the answers. Let's go.
What do you want I have to?
Number 17, or you're checking this page, number 17?
Would you like to read the answer?
Yes, answers, and what you're seeing the screen now, that's the vocabulary for this one. We learned this 28th of the March. So yes, I want to translate again. It's been a long time. That is why.
Ohak Yonsurul, Tanio Obion, Shuyo Halte, Kun do Umi Duenda.
Yes, translation, please.
The translation is exchange students course, assist and come. To have a job. When have a job.
Yes, when have a job, it is a big help for what? Exchange student course. Exactly. Very good. Okay, number 2.
The Kakshi Chol Tayanhan 완동굴, 한운, 고툴, 인생위, 경험이, 된다.
That one doesn't have vocabulary actually. The 대학 시절. Or did I put the top? Let me check. No, we don't have. No, this is not. I will help you. Number 2. 대학 시절. 시절 is a momento, like a period. 대학 시절, so which is a university period. 다양하다. Means variety. 활동, activity. So variety activity. 다양한 활동을 하는 것. Things to do. Things to do what? Variety activity. 다양한 활동. 인생의 경험. Experience. 인생. Life. So experience of the life. 경험이 된다. Become. So put all together. Let's practice about this, Magdalena, actually. Yeah. Do you remember what for translating first, check the particle, eh? Yeah. So try to find the particle. Where is it?
Until
Exactly.
그래서 활동을, no? 한글을.
Perfect. 하는 것은 인생의 경험이 된다. Okay. Yeah. So that's the particle, right? Very good. Good catch. Any other particle we have here?
No.
Exactly, that's all, which means that this will be the object or subject, and this part will be the verb part. Yeah. So actually, this will be the subject because even put the object particle, there's a nothing in the front, so then this should be the subject. Yeah. This sentence doesn't have an object because there's a nothing in the middle, nothing in the beginning. So with the subject, this one. What will be the important word here? 대학. What do you think? 대학 or 시절 or 다양하다 or 활동?
활동?
Exactly. Activity. Activity that 다양하다 to be variety. 시절, period, 대학, university. So if I put all together, activity, variety activity when the university period. In university period, the variety activities is 경험이 된다 here. Become experience of the life. But here missing to do that, to doing that, to doing thing. What things we are talking? Activity. So yep, that's it. Okay. Any questions so far? Perfect. Number 3.
여러분 이하에서 다양한 스펙을 상을 거둔 취업할 때 쳐다.
Very good. I think it's here vocabulary issue. 여러 분야. Yeah, here.
여러 분야에
여러 plus sustantivo. What was the meaning here?
many different things.
Many different and 분야.
Categories.
Yeah. 다양한 spec.
Spec is the expectativa.
Very good.
The particle in this case is ul also, no?
Exactly.
The expectative.
취업할 때죠?
Is also 취업할 때 is good. 취업할 때.
취업. We saw many times, right?
To have a job. It's good when you have a job. It's a good thing when you have a job. expectativa, so, expectative, but so is applied to expectative, no. Okay.
Yes, yes, yeah, continue. I'm just fixing the title, sorry. Yeah. Yes.
Have more careers for respect.
Have a more career, but not just a career, 여러 분야, variety, many different variety category, 분야, category. Many different category experience for the spec, yeah, and that will be helpful for what? Having a job.
This is the answer number 3, no? No?
Number 4.
Number 1, no, it's not. Number 2 is not. A ver, number 4. Bueno, number 4. ¿Cómo copió? Number 4. Without go. Seu kue kwan ryong dong kwal dong ul hanung gochi trip og yuri hada. To make a go. But activity for experience. Activity for experience in the without goal. So that is to think, no?
Again?
Seuda is to think.
Seuda. To make a stand, to build, but we don't mokyo. What is the meaning here?
But this is to make a goal. To make a goal and become related become. Yuri Hada is no es Yuri Hada, es Yuri Hada.
Yuri
Ahí está, Yuri Hada, to be ahead. To more have a more advantage. It's a thing that have a good advantage in to get a job.
Exactly. Now we just put together in our correct order. That's all.
To be to make a stand-up goal. Make stand-up and make stand-up goal and having experience. Yes, it's a thing to it's a good thing to get a job. Okay, it's number 4. No?
Yes, number 4 is the answer. Very good. Because of what men said, this is the key parts. Yeah, the company doesn't prefer people who may build a spec without goal.
But the answer is the contrary to that text.
Yes, exactly. That's another difficult part because now they're saying, yeah. Yeah. But actually here he mentioned that not even contrary one. Yeah. Here 자신이 무엇을 하고 싶은지 잘 생각해 본 후에 그 일을 하는데 경험을 쌓을 수 있는 활동을 하는 게. Yeah. Let me just quickly translate this part. 그 일, that job, that work 하는데 to do 경험을 experience 쌓을 수 있는 활동. Activity that able to build what? Experience. For what? To do that work. 훨씬 중요해요. More important. This is exactly same sentence as number 4, right? For the answer.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay, finally, let's finish the number 17. Any question about the number 17 then?
No, but I need to study the vocabulary.
Yes, this is a lot of vocabulary for number 17, actually. Very difficult one was. And consider only listen one time to choose the answer. Ooh, that's a difficult. That's a difficult. Okay. All right, let's move on. So we are going to do category number 6. Move on. Yeah, I think at least we can finish the theory of the category number 6 today. Yeah. So I want you to turn on the book page 18, please. Número 18. Número 18. Yes. Okay. So can you read the title, please?
I said the 18 de... I had a mistake. I toco
you did the correct.
18? No.
And you did the correct. I'm just turning on this
Yeah.
page because of showing you example. Yes, it's that one, the theory. Exactly. Number 6.
No, number 6, noli chalk, kurum, back, haki.
Very good. Translation, did you write the translation as well when we introduced the beginning? Or would you like to write down?
Analizar la información, buscar en la lógica del contexto. We have to looking for in the context and analyze the information and looking for the context.
More like a logical.
Logical.
The reason why I turn on this page because this category start from después número 20. Después número 20. So, can you check this page? Check the camera in your book. Here's the question. This is a question. I will read it for you. 이 강연 앞의 내용으로 알맞은 것을 고르십시오. That's the key word. 알맞은 것을 고르십시오. Let me write down here. So about this category, there's two different ways to express the question. So first one, as you can see, blah 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 at the beginning, whatever comes, so blah 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 blah. 알맞은 것을 고르십시오. That's the first option. Another way to express this category is 들은 내용으로 맞는 것을 고르십시오. Let me ask you first, what is a 고르다?
To choose?
Perfect. What is a 알맞다 or 맞다?
The right?
Exactly. So choose the correct thing, and here.
Oh, correct thing.
Very good. Correct thing as well. But 들은 내용, 듣다, listen, 내용, information. But this is a past simple, so which is listen the information that you listened.
Listen and choose the correct information. No, or choose the correct, no?
Exactly. So let's check how many questions we have, for example, in this book. So here, number 22. 들은 내용으로 알맞은 것을 고르십시오. There's a 1. Continue. Number 24, look at this. 들은 내용으로 맞는 것을 고르십시오. Another question. So far we have 2 questions for this category. And what about this? Number 26. 들은 내용으로 맞는 것을 고르십시오. 3 questions so far we have. Continue. Number 28. 들은 내용으로 맞는 것을 고르십시오. So far we have 4 questions about this category and continue. Number 30. 들은 내용으로 맞는 것을 고르십시오. Again, we have 5 questions so far now. And this one, number 31, not really. Number 32, nope. Number 33, yeah, this one. 무엇에 대한 내용인지 맞는 것을 고르십시오. 내용, information. Yeah. That looks very similar as in the book, by the way. The question in the book here. Yeah. Very similar. 무엇에 대한 내용인지, 내용인지 instead of 내용으로 in the book. So far we have 6 questions. And this one is continuing directly, number 34. 내용으로 맞는 것을 고르십시오. So we have 7 so far. And continue. Number 36 as well. 들은 내용으로 맞는 것을 고르십시오. Again, 8 questions. And here, 38. 들은 내용과 일치하는 것을 고르십시오. 일치하다 is to be matching, to be matched, to correct, to match. So choose the matching things. This one is also being part of it. Yeah. And so we have a 9 and that's a 10th question. 들은 내용과 일치하는 것. Yeah, same thing. The matching things. And continue. Again, repetition. Number 42. Yeah, 일치하는 것. And number 33, number 34, no. Here, 45, 일치하는 것. Again, 고르십시오. Here 47 as well. 일치하는 것. Continue. I think that's this is the last one. Number 49. 일치하는 것. Again. So I lost my count, but at least it's like a 12 question, I think. 12 or 13, I think. Yeah. A lot, right? A lot. Which is a good news, Magdalena. Because this is the easy one. Not asking you to the main idea. Not asking you about the attitude of the man or female. What is that? Attitudes. That will be the last category number 7. That's we're gonna learn maybe next week. Anyway, yeah. So far so good. We have many questions about this number 6 category. That's the important part. So far so good. Okay, very good. So yeah, how do we solve this category? It's a very simple, Magdalena. As we know what we have to do, choose the correct thing, which means rest of the answer except rest of the answer except the answer. It will be the wrong information. Wrong information. Easy to clarify. Wrong information. Yeah. So we're going to practice with this one quickly. But look at this. It's a written sentence, but this is audio. Yeah. A lot of information. A lot of information. Yeah. I'm gonna read it for you. I'm gonna read it in English with the answer. So you're gonna pick what you think. Yeah. For the same meaning, order about the example for perfectly fit is traffic order. About the traffic order, every people wish to being correctly and logically in the status or situation, there is exist about that. About the traffic order, and the status that's correct of traffic order is the walking people, like people like how to say, yeah, people who walking in the crossroad, or people like the passers, how we call it passers in English, I think, yeah, the people who passing by on the street, yeah, those people or drivers, they need to follow the traffic rules, so there's a no accident, and stream of the traffic is smoothly being completed. Like a smooth traffic, yeah, because everyone followed the rules very well. That's the context. Like this, in an idyllic traffic order, for completing idyllic traffic order, from me, first need to follow the order. You need to have that mindset. And if you don't follow the your role is talking about specifically for the traffic order, and it will be disadvantage for you and other people will have a damage. You need to be aware with that. That's the information they're giving. Number one, meaning of the order. Number two, necessary of the order. Number three, meaning of the spirit of the follow the rule. Number four, necessary of the spirit of the follow the rule. What do you think? Which one would answer?
I couldn't understand very well the text because
Did-
talking about the information, but about the traffic, about the something like that, but I
there's
couldn't understand English.
there's a many new vocabularies as well, but
No, not including in English. I couldn't understand what do you want to
yeah,
say.
so there was just a checking, but anyway, you understand what you have to do, right? Just to choose the correct answer. Yeah, that's what it
Yes,
means.
but for example, Wimi and Pidio so is two. Is one is necessary and one is one is necessary and one is to choose, no, or to
Mm.
simple.
Mm-hmm.
But there are two options. It's not so easy.
Yes, well, if you study about the vocabulary from here, you will have a more knowledge about the traffics and the road. Yeah. But it's just a part of the vocabulary, so we are not going to study about this part. But if you want, you can search the vocabulary. It will eventually help you. So once we understand what we have to do the category number 6, we directly jump into the example because the learning example is a more effective. Yeah. So what I want you to do is I want you to turn on the book page here, number 22. Yeah, this one. 221, please. Book page 221. Yeah, so because we're gonna jump into the actual example. For number 22. Yeah. So same as what we did with the number 17, actually. Would you like to listen first? And I'm gonna record it. And after that, we're trying to guess first. Yeah. So are you ready to listen? Okay, let's try to listen. Yeah, and I'm going to record it. Yeah. Okay, let's start from here. Yeah. Audio is a 1904, by the way. Yeah. Okay, let me turn on my WhatsApp. 잠시만요. Let's go.
다음을 듣고 물음에 답하십시오. 2번씩 읽겠습니다.
요즘 방송 중에 가수를 뽑는 오디션 프로그램이 참 많아졌어요. 각 방송사마다 하나씩 있는 것 같아요.
맞아요. 가수뿐만 아니라 요리사, 디자이너, 주제도 다양하고요. 이런 프로그램이 시청률이 높으니까 그런 거겠죠.
저는 연예인이 아닌 보통 사람들의 사생활이 무분별하게 노출되는 게 걱정돼요. 실제로 인터넷에서 그 사람들의 정보가 공개돼서 피해를 보기도 했고요.
그래도 우리 주변에서 볼 수 있는 평범한 사람들이 텔레비전에 나와서 재능을 보여주고 꿈을 이루는 걸 보면 제가 성공한 것처럼 기뻐요. 그런 것 때문에 많은 사람들이 오디션 프로그램을 좋아하는 것 같아요.
다시 들으십시오. 요즘
That was the first repetition. So yes, starting from number 20, rest of them, they're going to repeat it 2 times. This is a good news. But of course, repeating 2 times, there's a reason, because too many texts. So far so good. Any question?
저는 없어요.
If you can tell me how many percent you understood.
Nothing.
Okay.
No, I don't know if I'm feel good because I try to pay attention, but I'm feel very empty from my thing because I couldn't understand nothing about the words and probably the vocabulary. I guess we need to stop in this part because it's not
Yes,
so productivity to understand.
exactly. It's a
And
vocabulary
also
problem.
I need to do exercise with the basic form, I think so. Because the vocabulary is complicated. And
Yes.
also, okay, I know no sé, the vocabulary, but it's a lot for 10 hours. 10 hours is a lot of vocabulary, new vocabulary.
Yes.
But I can understand because I have not enough vocabulary to understand all.
Okay, so we're not gonna do the example anymore because it takes us so many times. As you can see, like the including last class, we almost spent actually just 2 hours, almost 2 hours for just the number 17 we did. So we're not gonna analyze or listening, learn the vocabulary because as you said, it's not just a part of the one topic and there's no guarantee for this topic gonna actually show up in the topic exam. So many things to study. So we're gonna skip it. So I'm thinking right now. So why don't we just to finish the category right now for the listening? So let's learn category number 7 as well. Yeah. Just learn the category number 7, which is the book page. What book page do we have? 잠시만요. Yeah. No, this is a reading part. Here, yeah. Last one. Last category of the listening. Yeah. So let's finish the category, what they want you to do. And let's listen one example as well. But we're not gonna analyze the question, obviously. Yeah. And after, let's move on to the writing. How about that?
I would like to listening, but not so hard. It's step by step.
Okay.
Step by step, for example, yes, try to. It's a few time to try to understand the words and try to understand the meaning and the context and so on. For example, the number 7 said analyze the attitude from the
Yes.
man, the woman. And obviously there are one example. But when I start to only read this example, say Chorom, okay, Pyohyun Ul, Subyon, and Doechi, Nyusu, Hatata, Sarami, I couldn't understand that. Chorom, I understand Chorom, I understand Subyon, and Doechi, I understand, but Pyohyun don't remember. John Seki News, las noticias de no sé qué. Jesol Chara Sarami, people.
Mhm.
It's not sense for me.
Mhm.
I have not sense to understand all things, no? Also,
about
Joya,
yeah,
dice,
about
저
vocabulary.
해설자가 어떤 표현을 썼는데 그래요? Is that true? That's true what? 몰라요.
Mhm.
어떤 the wave of or something like that.
Mhm.
I'm very worried about that because no, I couldn't understand nothing.
Yeah, it's not because of vocabulary, I said. That's the only problem. Once you know more vocabulary, you will less frustrated. Okay, yeah, so we're not gonna deal with example. I mean, we will, but not whole text because it took 2 hours, for example, just one question. So yeah, just a sentence by sentence, for example. But yeah, so let me explain about what attitude you need to decide. But first, this is a keyword. Yeah, 태도. That's the attitude. Remember that. Whenever they said in the question 태도, then that's a category number 7. That's the first very important thing. Yeah. So let me write down. 카테고리 7번. 까봤어. yeah. 카테고리 7번. Yeah. As I said, the keyword, important keyword, the 태도, attitude. So what attitude they are talking? So in this time, doesn't matter understanding or not. I just sent you the audio in the WhatsApp about this. So can you enter and try to listen with your cell phone? But this time, I want you to focus on the intonation because we're talking about the attitude. Yeah, let's try to listen. It's a YouTube video, I sent it.
But what? I don't know.
Why you don't know what you have to do?
I don't know. Exacto. What do you want to do?
I sent a video in WhatsApp. This is
okay.
I want you to listen, but doesn't matter understanding or not. I want you to focus on the intonation. Because we are dealing with the attitude problem here in the question. Especially 남자의 attitude. So focus on that. Just listen, please. That's all I want.
알맞은 것을 고르십시오. 저런 표현을 쓰면 안 되지. 명색이 뉴스 해설자라는 사람이
저 해설자가 어떤 표현을 썼는데 그래요?
저 사람이 지금 뭐라고 그랬는지 알아요? 아무리 고위층이라고 하더라도 그런 범죄를 말없이 묵과할 수는 없습니다. 라고 하더라고요. 원래 묵과라는 것이 말없이 그대로 지나쳐 버린다 라는 뜻이잖아요.
그러네요. 정말 일반인이 그런 잘못을 저질러도 귀에 거슬리는데 하물며 방송인들의 말 한마디 한마디는 다른 사람들에게 큰 영향을 주잖아요.
So let me ask you this first. What is the man's attitude? What do you think?
Like a surprise?
Surprise, okay, very good. Or let me ask you, does he happy?
No, worry.
Or worry, very good. Or does he angry?
No.
It sounds a little bit like annoyed or angry, actually. Yes, like worried about something. Yes, very good. Yeah. So worry about something. So attitude. So first you need to analyze. This person is happy, he expresses something, or this person is sad, the reason why sad, or this person is worried. What worried about? Like those the attitude we are talking. So you said he's a worry about something. And yes, we have to catch what he's worried about. Yeah. So actually, the keyword is about this part, 묵과, and this part, 말없이 그대로 지나쳐 버린다. And the female saying she's giving the backup information about man's idea. 그러니까 그러네요. I see, meaning is I see. Yes, I see. Yeah. Agreeing the what man said, which is she gonna repeat of the man's idea. Yeah. Man's attitude, idea, honto, make it more clear about the answer. Yeah. So same thing we done for question number 22. I'm going to translate for you in English. So try to listen and what do you think? Yeah, and try to pick the answer. Yeah, so 혼잣말로 means speaking himself. Speaking himself. Shouldn't use that expression like that. It's a named news announcer, the person. Yeah, person is the named news announcer. Yeah. And female said, what that announcer, what expression he or she used it, questioning. And the man said, do you understand what this man said? And now quotation. Yeah. This is the key part for quotation. You're listening 라고 하더라고요. Quotation part. Yeah. So 아무리 고위층이라도 하더라도 no matter how high position that person is, 그런 범죄를 말없이, yeah, 범죄 is a crime. So crime like that without mentioning or maintaining silence, 묵과할 수
Crime?
없습니다. Yes, 범죄 means crime. 묵과할 수 없다. Not able to just skip or just remaining silence. 라고 하더라군요. That's what announcer said. 원래, originally, 묵과 silence or silence treatment or silence or just not saying anything. Yeah. About these words, 말없이 그냥 지나쳐 버린다. Yeah. Without saying anything, just skip it. Yeah. 라는 뜻이잖아요. The meaning of that, he's explaining about the actual meaning of the word 묵과. And now female said, yeah, it is. I agree. Yeah, really 일반인, normal people. 그런 잘못을 저질러도, yeah, make a mistake like that. 귀에 거슬리다. It is annoying to hear. 하물며, even though 방송인이, yeah, the announcer, blah, blah, blah. So she's complaining about the announcer used the wrong word. Yeah. 방송인들의 말 한마디 한마디. Every single one word from the announcers 다른 사람들에게 큰 영향을 주다. Yeah. 큰 영향, big effect 주다. Give to who? 다른 사람들. To other people. Yeah. 주잖아요. As you know. We learned this grammar a long time ago. Yeah. Anyway, so answer number 1. 저속한 언어. Slangs. 사용을 문제 삼고 있다. Making problem for using slangs. Number 2. 의미상. As a context. 중복되는 표현. Expression of the repetition. 사용을 문제 삼고 있다. Make it as a problem. Using that as a problem. Number 3. 뉴스에 맞지 않는 방언. Like a local language. 뉴스에 맞지 않는. Local language that is not fit on the news. 사용을 문제 삼고 있다. Yeah. Which is make it problem as using that. Last one. 의미가 맞지 않는 표현. Meaning incorrect expression. So expression that incorrect meaning. 사용을 문제 삼고 있다. Make it as a problem for the using that. Yeah. So answer is a number 4. about the meaning, incorrect meaning, incorrect using, the incorrect meaning of the using. That's the problem. Yeah. Sorry, the answer is the number 2. Yeah. About the expression that not 의미상, like for the meaning, repetition, making the trouble. Really? Is that answer? Let me quick check. 중복되는 표정은 yeah. You're right. Sorry. The number 2 is the answer. 묵과 할 수 없다, which is not able to make it silence, but here 말없이, like a repetition of these 2 parts. Oh, even Korean is difficult actually. Yeah, I made the wrong answer. I'm sorry. Even for me, I made a wrong answer. Sorry. Yeah, number 2 is the answer because repetition. Yeah. So yeah, this is the example. Would you like to see one other example about the attitude question?
I couldn't understand.
Yeah, it's a new category. Topic 1, we never discuss about the attitude. Yeah, but topic 2, yeah, now they're talking about the attitude. Yeah. So first, you need to understand the emotion of the male or female, and after, you need to catch the main point. Like as I said, why this man is angry, why this woman is sad, or why this man is worried. Yeah, that's the attitude we're talking here. Yeah. Okay, that's number 7. Yeah. So let's see how I can give you homework with this. Would you like to have a homework for just checking the vocabulary and listen again instead of writing, listen and writing?
Check the vocabulary is right. Yes.
Okay, so let's do with this one. It's already written here. So I want you to find the vocabularies that you don't know. For example, 혼잣말 or 명색 or 해설자 or 고위층 or 범죄, 묵과 meaning is literally here actually. Yeah, like that. So yeah, let's just find the meaning, and next class we're gonna listen this one more time and let's see if we can understand. But not just this part, Magdalena. You're gonna get to know the vocabulary meaning from number 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. Yeah. Let me make a mark. Yeah.
From the
All those things.
example?
Yes. For the answers example. Yeah. All those things. Yeah. Get to know the meaning of the vocabulary. Yeah. Any question? Okay, yeah. So let me put it in our class notes as well over here. Okay. So let's see. We're gonna do practice with this one for the listening next class. So once you know the vocabulary, you will know more. And let's see. Maybe I will change my curriculum, which is we might gonna start writing next class. Writing, yeah. Because at least we finished the category of the listening. But I want you to check it again from the category number 1 from the listening. And if you have any doubts about what you have to do from the category from the listening, please ask me. So that's important, yeah. Understand what you have to do from the listening, at least.
But the homework is for tomorrow, no?
Yeah, it's too much, no?
Yeah,
Too
it's
much,
too
huh?
much. No, I think it's I will be able to do that.
But if you don't have a time, it is okay. But at least answers, please. So answer, get to number 1, 2, 3, 4, right? At least those things I want you to get to know meaning. At least those things, yeah. If you don't have a time, okay, yeah. Because the class is tomorrow, so I will understand if you cannot find all the meaning. Yeah, but at least answers, please. Because only 4 sentences, in the answer. Yeah. Okay. All right, let me stop the recording, by the way. Yeah.